Okay, so this must be the hottest day yet. I know I said that yesterday or the day before, but today is sweltering. Really, really hot. Got to go to the jobs fair now. Go see what's happening in there. Not to get a job, to try and sell them my skills as a marketer and a camera dude or whatever. Let's go blag it. This should be fun. Well, not really. No business cards, no nothing. Just the gift of the gab. Oh, here's my teacher. Right, it's filming. It's about to go. Oh yeah, you hold it. It's about to go on this VR with this great company called Creative Technology. Hawley College Jobs Fair. Exciting. Shall I put it on? Oh, I'm scared. It's quite difficult.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I think.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the kind of real help to give you a sense of scale and as a perspective.
So that's from what we had down there.
Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of it sort of helps with because the way the content's rendered as well. It's from a perspective, so it's a camera in a 3D scene. So this only works particularly well from that one particular spot. So this kind of really helps people kind of get an idea of what it would feel like from different angles and.
That's beautiful. I love the writing.
Yeah, it's really lovely content, isn't it?
Yeah, who is that gentleman?
There's a company called Projection Artworks who specialise in kind of texturing and 3D objects like this with the 3D workflow.
Wow. Can't see you, Joe, but it's absolutely beautiful. I'm in there with you. I'm a character. That's amazing. Well, this is what you guys are giving these.
Yeah, I think it's a good nice commercial application for this kind of technology, game technology. So yeah, it's a very useful tool.
Wow. Was it hard work?
It's long hours, but it's rewarding. It's fun. You know, it's fun work. You know, you spend ages setting something up, and that's the end.
So I just went to the jobs fair. You just see me going a minute ago. And all the contacts, I went round to all the desks, got all the contacts of everyone, and then on the last stall, the virtual reality stall, I put on the virtual reality headset. I can't take them off. And I put all my stuff on a desk, and then someone's come along and cleaned it up, threw it away. So literally the last hour of getting contacts and selling myself is lost. I'm proper gutted about it. I met some really nice lady who works for Total, the petrol company, the head of human HR. She's a really, really lovely lady, and I was talking to her about marketing and stuff like that. And then I got the lady's details for the head of marketing. And a few other companies, and they're all lost. I'm pretty gutted. Oh, I'm really gutted actually. Wasn't meant to be. Or I could try reaching out to her another day. I'm sure I could get her contact somewhere or another. She's the main one that stuck out for me, really, to be honest with you. She's really, really nice. Weren't meant to be. Okay? That's God's work. May be my final journey on a bus, because just might be. Tune into the next episode. So yeah, final journey on the bus.
Hey!
What are we going to do?
No, I didn't.
Watch out, my camera's a bit smoosh. I can't. Someone's sitting there now. Why are you so close? Get out of my face. Let's tear up something. I need my hair cut. I have to ring Abdul to get me a thing. Cheers, mate. Bye bye. That's my last bus journey. Ever. Shouldn't say ever, should I? Getting ahead of myself. Yeah, shouldn't say ever. I like the bus. Good to relax, get to think. Thinking's a bit much.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see the